If you're experiencing issues with Roblox updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back to playing quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other websites or applications to see if they load without issues. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the connection and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the update to stall. Step 3. Clear cache. Clear the Roblox cache on your device. This can be done by navigating to the settings or storage options on your device and removing the cache data for Roblox, which can help eliminate any corrupted files. Step 4. Update your device. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date. Sometimes, outdated software can cause compatibility issues with applications like Roblox, leading to update problems. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the application and can fix any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Roblox updates getting stuck. Enjoy your gaming experience.